InfoEngine is Wales's online directory for voluntary and community services. Registering takes no more than 10 minutes. Don't forget, if you are an individual, you can search for the services that are available near you without registering. InfoEngine is such a useful tool for organizations and groups as it can act as a website, and most importantly, it's free. The website also has an excellent search function which allows the user to find services near them and to add keywords so that the most useful services appear first. It only requires 3 pieces of information to make an account: your name, email address, and a password. You'll receive an email to confirm your new account. Creating an account allows you to do 2 things: search for organizations in your area and add them to a shortlist, or to register an organization or service. Registering an organization is very simple, and you can always edit the page. Privacy is paramount, and there are options to keep personal information such as emails and phone numbers private. You can then create your service which is provided by your organization. All that's left to do is review your information and publish it. If you would like help with registering, there are helpful how-to guides which can be accessed on the website and are available in both Welsh and English. So if you're looking for a free and easy way to advertise your voluntary or community service, sign up with InfoEngine today.